We may make and cover our lamp. Here we have a lamp from electric shop. Can one end cover here around, like this. Another end will be here. Okay, we can make our lamp. Let's test it if it can work. It works. It works. Okay, I will make a battery handle from plastic bag or any carton. A box. Here I get, and can put my battery to measure. Maybe here. Maybe here. Okay. And then okay, here I get parts that I will be using this and some paper clip to make switch. After that, we get our battery handle. One terminal we have paper clip, and another terminal we have another paper clip. Inside it looks like this, and the outside look like this. Okay, we can put our battery, this, and we can test our lamp. Okay, it lights. It lights.